The for loop is compact and ideal when you know how many times to iterate. It includes initialization, condition, and update in one line. In the example, $I starts at 0, loops while less than 5, and increments each time. This outputs index 0 inches through index 4 inches. For loops are commonly used for counting, iterating over ranges, and generating sequences. They're efficient and readable when the loop bounds are predictable. Avoid modifying the loop variable inside the block unless necessary. The for each loop is designed for iterating over arrays. It automatically extracts each element and assigns it to a temporary variable. In the example, we loop through $colors and output each one. You can also access keys using for each $array as $key equals $value. For each is ideal for processing lists, displaying data, and transforming arrays. It's safer than using numeric indexes and avoids off-by-one errors. Use for each when working with associative arrays, form data, or database results. Arrays in PHP are used to store multiple values in a single variable. Indexed arrays use numeric keys starting from 0, while associative arrays use named keys. You can define arrays using square brackets, or the array function. In the example, $colors is an indexed array with 3 color strings. $user is an associative array with keys name and role. You can access elements using $array key. Arrays are versatile and support nesting, iteration, and manipulation using built-in functions like count, array push, and for each. Functions in PHP allow you to encapsulate logic into reusable blocks. You define a function using the function keyword, followed by the name in parentheses. Inside the parentheses, you can specify parameters. The function body contains the code to execute, and you can return a value using return. In the example, greet $name returns a greeting string. We then call the function with Henry and output a result. Functions improve modularity, readability, and testability. You can also define anonymous functions and use closures, which we'll explore in advanced topics. PHP scripts begin with the opening tag, PHP, and end with. Inside these tags, you write PHP code that will be executed on the server. Each statement must end with a semicolon. PHP ignores white space, so formatting is flexible, but consistent indentation improves readability. Comments can be added using for single line, as an alternative, or for multi-line comments. Comments are essential for documenting logic and improving maintainability. The echo statement is used to output text to the browser. In the example shown, echo hello, world, sends the string to the client. PHP provides break and continue to control loop execution. Break immediately exits the loop, skipping any remaining iterations. In the first example, the loop stops when $i equals 3. Continue skips the current iteration and moves to the next. In the second example, $i equals 2 is skipped. These controls are useful for filtering data, handling exceptions, or optimizing performance. Use them judiciously to avoid confusing logic. Nesting loops with break continue requires careful planning to maintain clarity.